Eagle and Condor. Megese minwa wiinaange. A story I heard about the vulture. Tibaadjimowaans ga anonama wiinaange. Once they said the sun and earth were going to collide. Gudinge kikiduk Jesus minwa ake we patakshkadok. The Creator asked the eagle if they can push the sun aside. Jemnedo gikwachawan megeze. Gishpin we anjoabna at Jesus shwing nikea. The eagle tried, but they didn't want to get burnt. Megeze gigachitona adash gai win doing zina with jagzoak. The black eagle was asked if they could help. Mokadezet megeze gikwach magazok gishpin da not magayat. And then the black eagle helped with pushing the sun aside. Minoadash mekadezet megeze gi natamage. We anjoebnagazet Jesus shwing nikea. While doing this, they got burnt. Epich chichkeat manda gijagzog. Their head got burnt. The dip gi jagdemgat. And their feet got burnt. Meanwhile, the zidan gi jagdenon. That is why he looks like this today. Mi ue enje janagset we nikea nungo.